Today we're checking out the stainless power 1 7/8 inch catted long tube headers with factory connect for the 2015 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse. If you want a deeper sound, stronger mid-range pull, and better throttle response without having to change your whole exhaust layout, these factory connect long tube headers are a solid option that are definitely worth looking into. One of the key features here is going to start with the long tube design and the 1 7/8 inch primary tubes that allow you to move a lot more exhaust than those stock manifolds. That better flow is going to help the engine breathe, so you get a snappier throttle and that classic header growl when you decide to get on it. The high flow catalytic converters are going to keep things civilized and compliant while still opening up the system with having a lot higher flow rate than the stock cats. The fact that these are factory connect means that the leads are made to hook right into your stock exhaust system with no weird adapters or any guesswork along the way. Most folks are gonna go for this setup when they've added some bolt-on mods and they want that next real bump in power, or when the factory manifolds crack and start to leak, or they just want better sound and better exhaust flow overall. You'll feel those gains starting to be really noticeable in the mid-range RPMs, but that high RPM range is where the gains really shine with these long tubes. And this is also worth mentioning but not required, a custom tune is going to be the best way to take full advantage of these once you get them installed. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting 304 stainless steel tubing with smooth mandrel bends, TIG welding throughout, and thick laser cut flanges to help prevent leaks down the road. These collectors are designed to pull the pulses together cleanly for even better scavenging, and the high flow cats are built to handle heat while keeping that flow high. All the O2 sensor plugs and brackets are where they should be, and they even include extended wires where you need them and new plugs for the O2 sensors. The overall layout is going to be built to those factory connect specs, so the system is going to fit like it belongs under the car. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that mid-1000s price range for a full set of stainless steel long tube headers with high flow cats and a factory connect fit. These are sitting at a very nice price point if you want some real performance headers at a reasonable price. Now when it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 6 hours of your time if everything goes smooth. This one, like we mentioned, is going to connect to the existing factory mounting locations, so if you are confident and you have done header work before, then this should be a doable job. But if you have any doubt and you want to make sure that it's done perfect, then go ahead and hire a professional to help you out on this install process for that perfect leak-free fit. All right, that wraps up our review and install of the stainless power 1 7/8 inch catted long tube headers with factory connect for the 2015 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.